Hello and welcome to this live. Sorry, we are a few minutes late, but we've got two exciting news today. First things first, this collection, this wonderful Chanderi collection for 10,700, 5 meters plus dupatta, and you're going to be seeing the most amazing colors in it. Kai bar, the simplest things can be most beautiful, or I will get to it that how it is taking me so much time to actually do an outfit of this beautiful Chanderi cotton fabric. I think it looks amazing. It has to be worn in any season. Like you can do it now, you can do a gera one, a straight style, all of that. Okay, so that's the first exciting news, that ye look 10,700 mein complete look, lots of colors coming up. And the second news is of course that hum Delhi aa rahe hain on the 16th and the 17th. Yes, finally we are in Delhi. It's also our last show for this summers. We have no other shows planned for now, so we want to just say that. So agar aap kahin bhi hain, you know, in and around Delhi, this is your chance to be there. I know many of you missed it in Punjab, and yes, you can make it to Delhi, because for the next 2-3 months we have no plans to do any showcase anywhere. We've got lots of things running in the background. So 16th, 17th, 11 to 8 p.m. Claridges, same जगह जहाँ हम आते हैं. बट मुझे पता है आप में से इतने लोग हैं दिल्ली में एंड अराउंड गुड़गांव एंड फरीदाबाद एंड गाजियाबाद एंड नोएडा एंड मेरा एंड ऑल अराउंड जो देखते आए हमारा सामान एंड चाहते हैं आप कि एक बार आप छू सके और उसको खरीद सके. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर चांस टू कम एंड शॉप इन पर्सन. हम क्या लाने वाले हैं? ऑल ऑफ दिस लवली कॉटन्स. ओके, सो 10,000 ऑनवर्ड शुरू होगी रेंज इन कॉटन्स. Dupattas and suits. Suits will be of course 20,000, 30, 40, 50 depending on how it is. And yeah, our grand dupattas are also coming. But basically सब कुछ इस सीजन के लिए, वेडिंग हो या कॉटन, प्रीमियम कॉटन, सब कुछ है. सो मेक श्योर that you have spread the word around. We will talk more about it and you're here. But now let's go back to this look. Sometimes you know the most simplest looks can be the most gorgeous one. This is what I'm wearing. ये हमारा चंदेरी कॉटन. Okay, and maybe you have experienced it far more than I have because you have gotten it in your bottoms. Okay, this is such a rich and simple fabric, 980 per meter. Okay, and somehow I don't know what I was waiting for all of these years to actually do an outfit, and just look at the color it's turned out to be and the way it has. Now Chanderi cotton, many of you ask कि इसमें क्या खासियत है? गफ है. गफ में जब बोलती हूँ तो इट इज अ लिटिल मोर डेंस. ओके, एक हम प्रीमियम चंदेरी करते हैं जो आज हम नहीं बात करने वाले. दैट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट लुक. दिस इज लाइक फॉर्मल लुक. ओके, एंड आई हैव डन ऑल ऑफ दिस डिटेलिंग. यू कैन सी दिस डिटेलिंग हियर. It's also there on my kurta, and this is like simple stitch. Okay, I'll send you the close-ups later on. We are also going to be uploading the style videos. Simple stitch and also on the pants. You can see this. Okay, just very simple detailing. 5 meter plus dupatta, 10,700, and this dupatta, this gorgeous dupatta with tassels. So all of these are a part of your look in this 10,700. Let's show you the colors. And I say it is so easy, so comfortable to be wearing. Matlab, you know, you cannot not have like a couple of colors. Now that's your full look. This gorgeous dupatta. ये जो tassels हैं ये gold होंगे. That's it. मे बी यू विल सी कि इनमें किसी में बेस है, बट अगर बेस थे भी तो अब हम जो आपको देंगे फर्स्ट पीस ऑफकोर्स एज इट इज अवेलेबल है. आगे आपको सिर्फ गोल्ड के लुक्स मिलेंगे. एंड दिस इज लाइक अ शेड, और दिस इज लाइक अ शेड ऑफ ब्राउन. It's available as much as you want to order. Let's go and show you the different colors that we have. Each one super beautiful. Okay, so the word is guff. You know, guff matlab thoda sa dense in a way that it's really nice. And there is a sheen to it. Okay, each of these colors का मैच वही बैठता है. अच्छा, अगर आप चाहें तो आप 5.5 मीटर ले सकते हैं, 6 मीटर ले सकते हैं, whatever your match is. But I think if you just wear this with some basic detailing, some simple accessories, that is look one. You can wear it to lunch and parties and to work. Okay, now you say यार थोड़ा सा हमें ड्रेसी करना है, तो then you can do a little more घेरा, A-line silhouette. And then you can go for, you know, maybe some detailing. जैसे मैंने ये सेल्फ थ्रेड यूज किया है, आप जरी थ्रेड यूज कर सकते हैं on your necks, on your kurta पट्टी, and उस हिसाब से it will become more dressier. You can wear heavy jewelry. Okay, 5 meters and this 10,700 and free India shipping कहीं भी. So India में अगर आपको कहीं भी shipping लेनी है, it's free. इस जो चंदेरी को हम बनाते हैं इसमें एक तो शीन है. नाउ लुक एट दैट. ओके, नाउ आई विल गिव यू अनदर मैच. अगर आप चाहें कि बिना टैसल का हो ये लुक, ओके, सो कैन आई गेट द मैच ऑफ दैट. तो ये जो दुपट्टा है बिना टैसल का, दिस इज 3200. इट्स द सेम दुपट्टा, इट्स जस्ट नो टैसल्स. ओके, सो देन द मैच, एंड लुक एट द मैच. ओके, तो 5 मीटर ये और ये दुपट्टा हो जाता है 8100 मतलब 8100. दैट्स द मैच. ओके, सो यू कैन से यू नो लाइक आई prefer it without tassels, then 8100 for 5 meters plus dupatta. If you want it the way I was wearing it with tassels, then it's going to be 10,700. So another one without tassels. And अगर इनमें नहीं भी है तो हम कर देंगे. But the whole idea is wear these beautiful summer ones. अच्छा, now बात आती है lining पे. See, lining is a must in pure fabric. I think it's such a fresh color, right? Each one. कैसे आप ऑर्डर करेंगे? आप नए हैं इस पेज पे, तो अगर आप देखते आए लाइव, एंड आई थिंक so many of you all over the world are watching our lives, okay, and joining in every day. What a beautiful color. This is like you know, pista color. It's just gorgeous. Okay, and I think that just this much zari in the whole look and thoda sa border, ek taraf gold ek taraf silver, gives it like another level of, you know, elegance and beauty. Okay, so many of you will be joining recently on our pages, and what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be taking a screenshot. मैंने इसीलिए ये पकड़ा है ये you know, this way, so that you can take a picture. अच्छा, कल ही किसी से बात हो रही थी and I was listening to it. Somebody was saying मैं कैसे फोटो लूँ. अच्छा, आपको नहीं अगर स्क्रीनशॉट लेना आता है तो कोई बात नहीं, फर्स्ट आप कॉल करें मेरी टीम को, वो आपको हेल्प कर देंगे कैसे स्क्रीनशॉट लेते हैं. अगर दैट्स नॉट, यू नो, नॉट समथिंग यू वांट टू डू, जस्ट टेक इट फ्रॉम अनदर फोन. तो ये फोन है, दूसरे फोन से आपने फोटो ली, आपने व्हाट्सएप किया, एंड दैट्स इट, एंड दैट्स ऑल दैट यू विल हैव टू डू. नाउ लुक एट दिस इज सो एलिगेंट. आई लव दिस. यू नो, इट्स लाइक अ क्रीमिश आइवरी कलर. It's just perfect. Look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful color right there for you. We're doing so many range of colors. हर में 10,700. Now from that we are going to do, okay, let's jump into those 5 suits there after this, and then I'm going to come back to the remaining colors. But first things first, just look at the beautiful one. आज का जो theme है, it's of course cottons. This is a very lovely blue, and you know, also that, yes, we were talking about it. I'm going to come back to it about lining. Lining pure fabrics में जरूरी है. ये देखिए, ये मैंने हमारा जो मल कॉटन फैब्रिक है उसको डाई कराया है और उसको यूज किया है इसमें, यू नो, सिंगल लेयर. It's very soft, it's very nice to wear, especially for Chanderi cottons. Even in my bottom, you will see the same lining being used. You can see it here. The idea is that अगर आप चाहते हैं that, you know, these suits last you longer, they're really good. We will give it to you 480 per meter, pre-dyed, pre-shrunk, and really nice. And this is also dyed actually, so you can see the sheen in this fabric. I was saying this earlier. कई बार simplest look रह जाती है. I make so many of these looks to just showcase to you. I don't know why I haven't done this earlier. Formal, soft, easy, very nice. Okay, from this we are going to beach में go to some another factor, which is our premium cotton suits in these beautiful new colors that we have just gotten. Okay, 3 meter kurta, the most lovely dupatta. Okay, this is premium cotton weave. This is the bottom plain bottom, right? And look at that, that's the bottom. This is also available for you, 24,800, and aren't they just gorgeous? So if you feel यार थोड़ा सा dressy चाहिए, ये सुंदर है, maybe I will take this in one color, then I will take this in one color, and I have one more for you, okay, which I'm going to showcase. I am going to take that one color. अगर आप तीनों सेट भी लेते हैं तो that's going to be 10 and 10, and this is 24, so about 35, हाँ 35, and yeah, so in 45,000 you will have 3 most wonderful suits that, you know, you can wear. So मैं option भी ऐसी दे रही हूँ आपको कि today you will say I'm going to take 3 suits from Neer, तीनों ही एकदम अलग. Okay, this one is a plain one. Now this one is a weave one, and the next one I'm going to show you, that I will show you with all our bahars. Why I'm not saying bahar? क्योंकि bahar तो sold out है वैसे तो. So but I have the most wonderful colors. But I will come back to that in a bit. पहले इसी के colors हम करेंगे. And look at that. Yes, you want to wear cotton. It's a season for celebration. Then this is such a gorgeous one, okay? Okay, so this one, now this one, okay, not all, but this one has this gorgeous bottom border which you can see and which you can enjoy. It's absolutely amazing. So you know, yes, you can order this. All of them are the same price. I think it looks amazing with it, and that's what we are showcasing to you, some gorgeous colors for you to pick up. Okay, the bottom ones that you see will be a little more than the ones which have plain bottom. Okay, so that is going to be the thing. Now I'll tell you कि ये ऐसे क्यों होता है. ये कई बार ऐसे होता है that हमने पहले ट्राई किया, हमें अच्छा लगा, we given you plain bottom, but then we said we will add border. So इनका जो प्राइस है it's slightly less, उनका थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है because the loom पे बना है bottom and उसके साथ border. So that will be the same range, 26,800. These will be to 24,800. Okay. Now look at that. It's a peach. You love the dark one. You love that. You love this. Take any option that you want to go for. This one also has the bottom inside. इसमें भी है. So this one also has a border. And look at the deep, beautiful colors. So with bottom जिसमें border है, that is going to be more, and the ones with plain ones will be lesser. But the look for the kurta and this is the same. Okay, I think it's amazing options for you that you're going to go. I'm going to show you the two more available colors. So एक look ये हो गया and एक look ये हो गया, and then एक और look है जो मैं बाद में आऊंगी because I want to show you more colors of this. This one is, see, okay, so this one is also with the border. इसका होगा 26,800 and that one will be 24,800. So you can decide which one, but really lovely, okay. And let me just show that to you. Oh, look at that. So this is like a shade of purple. I think it's amazing, very beautiful. अच्छा, इनमें tassels extra होंगे, so you know. Okay, exact price, this is 26,800. Okay, this exact piece जिसमें border है bottom में, the ones without it is 24,800. Okay, so there you go, the maths and the difference, because plain fabrics to make on the loom, very expensive and time taking for us. Now this one is with the plain one, so feel free to ask us, हम आपको सारी details जरूर बताएंगे. So everybody who's been joining, oh look at that, what a wonderful, I love this peach, it's such a summer color. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये जो होती है that I think इतना सुंदर लगता है ये with gold zari, it looks incredible, that color. And all of this is gold. Now this one that you're seeing, it may appear to you very light because it's like very light gold that we have used. Is that, yeah, it's a light gold. It's not, it's almost silverish actually. It's almost silverish. Yeah, but you know, I mean, technically, if you see a silver zari, to बहुत अलग होगी. What a pretty one with a plain bottom again, and same. Okay, this is like very light gold. Okay, I'm going to say that I won't call it silver because when you see silver ना, एकदम अलग दिखता है, right? So this is again the 24,800 ones, and it is incredible. Look at that, very pretty color for you to pick up from. Okay, so we are done with all the color options in this that are available. ये थी हमारी category 2. This what I'm of course wearing is category 1, और हम जाएंगे वापस इन्हीं के colors में. Okay, this time I'm going to start with my color that I'm wearing. जो नीचे जो मैंने color पहना है, नहीं, my color, this color. Yeah, it's the last one there. Correct. So I'm going to show you that, and then you can just, again, as I said, order it as much as you want. मेरे पास, you know, you can do like as many meters that you like. Oh, somebody saying you're watching from Osaka, Japan. Okay, that's the first one. We get a lot of countries. Japan, मैंने नहीं सुना. Somebody that day was saying I'm from Portugal. They were there. So many different countries. Okay, of course USA, Canada, UK, UAE, Australia. You know, yes, I mean definitely. But I love to hear these new countries as well. So keep it coming. Okay, from Japan and everyone else. You know, a big welcome to anybody who's joining in and seeing us for the first time. That's the fabric that I'm wearing. Use lining and just go for a same on same. Of course, that's the only way. You've got to go same on same. And you can go for a straight silhouette, 5 meter. Okay, I am not tall. Okay, also a small frame. So, फिर भी 5 meter my tailor takes. Okay, your tailor if he makes in 4.5, great, superb. So 5 meter average size, and then you're gonna go like lining again 5 meters. मैं तो sleeves में भी lining लगाती हूँ. You know, I like it like that. You can like skip it, but for me, I always find that ये जो पोर्शन होता है, it becomes more delicate, and like something like this you're going to wear like often. Now when you go for tassel without look, तो 5 मीटर plus this dupatta becomes 8100, and when you go for tassel and 5 meter it becomes 10,700. Take your pick, जो आपको पसंद आया. We are good with both. Okay, that's the fabric, that's exact same color. We have actually marked all the colors with it. हम colors तो बता नहीं रहे, but we had marked all the colors, but they are all pretty different. कहीं अगर मुझे सिमिलर लगेगा तो मैं बताऊंगी. लाइक द पिंक आई वांट टू से कि क्या कलर है, बिकॉज दैट्स सिमिलर टू द अदर पिंक. ओके, नाउ दिस इज सो गॉर्जियस गाइज. लुक एट दिस पिंक कलर, दिस वंडरफुल लुक विथ इट. आई थिंक इट्स अमेजिंग. ओके, I love it. You know, now I'm wondering, you know, but yes, I have a weakness for these colors, you know, all these colors, but I think who doesn't, you know, क्योंकि ये season जो है, you want to wear something soft, elegant, everywhere. This is going to be your look, okay? So guys, go for it. Simple beauty, amazing, amazing look. We're back with the tassel one. And this one, like right now, all the colors are super different. जब कोई similar color आएगा तो मैं आपको उसका number बताऊंगी. Why we do numbers is because when we place our order, it's just easier for you. You can say this much number and then you can go, oh, look at that. That's amazing. This one, जो मैंने पहना है, it is the signature color. Okay, when you say the signature color in Chanderi look, you will get this color. But if you want to know, it's a shade of brown. So signature brown in this, and you can get it. Okay, I'm actually loving the experience of wearing it. This, but each of these colors, look at that. हम Mumbai based है, you know, for anybody who's again new, asking us where are you based, and हम दुनिया भर में ship करते हैं, you know, in spite of course there's a lot of complications right now at the front of shipments, and you know, I mean everybody's aware the things with tariffs, but yes, we do ship worldwide everywhere. India में तो of course है ही, and India में जो additional service है which is cash on delivery. And if again, you know, for me that's very important if you've been watching our pages, because I think that's what I hear everywhere is that we've been watching your page, okay, and we've been waiting for you to come to our city, okay, and as much as I would love to come to each and every city, it kind of becomes impossible. In fact, our next and the last show for this season, when I say the season, I mean for your entire summers, the last show is going to be in Delhi. Okay, we just were in Punjab and before that in Bangalore. So we've done 3 continuous shows. We're going to take a break from that. And Delhi, 16, 17 Claridges. And as I was saying, आप में से बहुत हैं जो हमारे live देते हैं, and my big thanks for it. But when it comes to order, you find it sometimes maybe complicated and you don't know what to start out with. तो मुझे ये बोलना, आप ये start out करिए. कहीं भी आप हो, just try one of these colors. They are the most amazing. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, it's going to be tough one. Can I get my dupatta back? Okay, I'll tell you exactly why. Because if you're looking for dark, rich colors, okay, your choice is going to be, do we have another red? No reds, right? So this is your beautiful color. That's going to be one, okay? That's one look. And then I'll show you my look. Because if you're going for dark colors, that's your choice. For these dark, very rich, very beautiful color. मेरा कहना है एक में थोड़ा स्ट्रेट बनाए, एक में थोड़ा सिलुएट बनाए. Go for both. You know, it's like you cannot miss these looks. Okay, so that's my look. I will wear my dupatta in just a bit, but we're going to get into the third thing that we are showing today. Okay, and जहाँ दुपट्टे perfectly match हो वहाँ दिखाएं, नहीं तो फिर हम बाद में we will die and show it to you. Okay, now these. Okay, now you know them as Bahar. You've seen me wear it in pink. That is sold out again. I think for the 4th time we have made it. Is that so? 4th, 5th? Yeah. We made hundreds of meters and it's always sold out. Thanks to the love that you guys send our way. Okay. 1800 per meter hai ye kapda and it's gorgeous. So if you go for a same on same, 5 meter plus dupatta, contrast hai. So I'm showing you contrast. You want a same on same, we'll do it. These are the most gorgeous Kota silk. It's got silk. That's why it's not Kota Doria. It's Kota silk. Okay. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं 5 मीटर और दुपट्टा is 10,000 से sorry 12,550, right? 12. Okay. So 12,600 for 5 meter plus दुपट्टा. now that I will give the mats again अलग से. So 5 meters 1800 per meter है basically. So अगर 5 मीटर और ये दुपट्टा आप लेते हैं तो 12,600 है. Okay, and if you do a plain bottom, you say I want a plain bottom and dupatta, then it becomes 10,550. Okay, so that's your mats. Let's go on to the next colors. Okay, this color I love so much. Again, you know me. I have weaknesses for all of these light, beautiful ones. But इसमें same on same दुपट्टा भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Can I get that दुपट्टा again? I would rather show this one. Oh, this is also looking really nice. So go for a plain bottom, 10,550 for 2.5 meter. This and plain bottom, Chanderi cotton. Which one? This one. The same one that I'm wearing here will be dyed in this color. 5 meter का अपना look है dressy. The one I have done is of course a 5 meter look that that I've been wearing. Okay, I'm only going to go for not this one. Not this dupatta. This is another color in the same buta, and all of these like really nice. Okay, now let's show you that one, the lemon one. So, and lining isme bhi chahiye. You should use lining. So you know the deal. In today's live we are showing you, and this one, yeah, see, the good thing is इसमें plain bottom भी है. So you have this plain bottom, you have the kurta threads everywhere. Oh my god, the lint that we have, it's like some mind-boggling thing. Okay, now look at this. That's your look. 10,550, 2.5 plus dupatta, and it's amazing. One suit that I showed you was 26,800 / 24,800. You will know why if you've seen the live. अगर नहीं आप अभी join करें, it will be posted. Okay, that's the one. And then my look is of course there, which is again 10,700. So like you have like under 45, you have 3 beautiful all woven, okay, all woven suits for you in Chanderi cotton and premium cotton. So जो 2 base हैं इस वाले का and जो मैंने पहना है, they're both Chanderi cotton. And then this is really nice and bright. Okay, we've been trying to get these ready for Delhi. If they're available, we'll definitely get these. This what I'm wearing, definitely we are getting. Okay, and बहुत सारे cotton suits and georgettes and mungas and everything for this season. But जो दुपट्टे नहीं ready है, that's only because of course they were all over. We've just been trying to kind of get ready for the show. That's why I say this is, and it takes a lot for us to take all our stuff, bring it back, 600 700 kgs, or the entire team going. It's like a big thing. So that's why the Delhi show is going to be a last for this season. We're going to take a break for a couple of months before we decide whether we want to do it or not. Excitement will continue, but in other ways, this show is the last for some time. So make sure that you are here for our show in Delhi 16, 17, the peak summers, peak wedding season. तो हम वैसा ही collection लाएंगे आपके लिए. Look at that, that's so beautiful, perfect matching. So जो same on same look होएगा वो ऐसा दिखेगा, and it's just perfect, isn't it? It looks so beautiful. Couple of motives that I was just showing you. एक जो motive है जो मेरा pink का है वो ये है. So pink is of course sold out, but you have this and you can wear this, and it is very pretty. It's a big motive. I do it same on same. I think it looks really nice. So okay, जब भी जो mats आप इसका look था, sorry, is it this? Is it that? It's with that one. Okay. सारे मैं आपको, so that there is no confusion, ये जो फैब्रिक है ये 1800 पर मीटर है. ये दुपट्टा 3600 का है. ओके, नाउ व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू द मैथ्स इज आप 5 ले 6 ले व्हाटएवर इज अवेलेबल, सो आप ले सकते हैं. जो मैंने फैब्रिक पहना हुआ है ये 980 पर मीटर है, और जो मेरा दुपट्टा था इसके साथ ये है 5800. अब सो दैट देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन एंड द मैथ्स इज क्लियर. I love this one. It's such a nice summary. Okay, couple of last इसमें जो colors है मैं quickly आपको दिखा रही हूँ. And look at that. That's a really hot, nice one. Can I get the pink dupatta with it? Okay, I'm going to show you एक और मेरे पास look at why I'm doing red and pink. Sometimes it looks nice. Of course, you can do red on red also. Can I get this one also? And I'm showing you all the different options. थोड़े थोड़े हैं. This is our old Bahar. Okay, और ओल्ड बाहर किधर से निकला किसी को मत पूछिए. But it's there. It's this wonderful strawberry last card, and which you should have. Okay, it's superb. All of these 1800 per meter. मैं एक आपको 2 दिखाती हूँ, 4 in fact. एक नहीं 2 नहीं 4. That's your all white, and it's going to be great with a green dupatta, which is what I think I was showing you earlier. Or in fact, I got a chance, I will show you. This is actually the back. It is this clean, this beautiful, 1800 per meter. Take as much as you want. If you want to go for a white look, that's your look. But to me, when you're wearing this, ये जो green है ना, dhani green, wear this color dupatta, it looks gorgeous. But yeah, I think white also has its charm. Let's do the next one. We're doing all the whites now. This one again you can do with with a blue dupatta, with a pink dupatta, or you go all white. Guys, remember that what I'm showing you, ये जो पूरा है collection, this is like the last of this whole lot that we have in Bahar. This is what I have, okay? Now, what I wanted to say was that even if you're in Delhi, even if you know that you will come, but आप सोच से आ रहे हैं पहले मैं एक चीज ट्राई करूं, आप ये ट्राई कर लें, because one, if it's available, we'll get something else, but same चीज शायद ना ला पाए. But the thing is, एक वीक में आप ट्राई भी कर सकते हैं, मिल भी जाएगा, and then you will know what Neev is all about, and then you can come and do the rest of your shopping there. Yes, let's do that. This is here. Okay, the red that I was wearing, I think on Saturday, yeah, Saturday, the red was a Moonga silk. Somebody's asking, that was Moonga silk, and I hope you guys are speechless in a good way. You're loving all of these budget suits. Such great ones, woven, okay? The Chanderi cotton also woven. Look at that. So stunning. And I think it's just beautiful. Take anyone. You cannot go wrong with it. This one. And then, iske baad we will do the last 5 remaining colors that I have in the dress that I'm wearing. And then we are done. So very short. And, yes, let's show it. Oh, nice. So you do an orange. You do a pink. But I think it looks incredible. 10,550 with a plain bottom, 5 meter plus dupatta is 12,600. Take your pick, okay? Whatever. And सबसे बड़ी बात है उतना available होना चाहिए. So the deal is that you don't spend too much time thinking, that you see it, you take your pick, take all 3 different varieties, because summer's है, you want to wear everything. Take more colors in this, and why am I covered in lint? Okay, so एक कलर इसमें ले, एक उसमें ले, 2 उसमें ले, एक उसमें ले. Yeah, so sometimes we get a question, नीव में क्या मिलेगा मुझे 20,000 में? I say you will get 2 suits right now, and if you're going for just kurtas, you will get 4 kurtas in that and 1 bottom, okay? So depends on what you're looking for. Even if you come, 40,000 का budget है, तो अभी तो you will get like 3 suits in that. So that 45,000 में 3 suits, okay? Very nice cotton suits, premium cotton suits, woven cotton suits, and pure, only pure. अच्छा, दुपट्टे भी अगर आप बोले कि मेरा budget है 40, how many can I get? You can probably get 3-4 dupattas. And you say I have a 60,000, 70,000 का budget, you will get lot of things in that budget, or you can get one stunner of a masterpiece in that budget. Everything is possible, okay? So cash on delivery, remember, it's very much there in all over India, and of course हमारे shows में भी होता है, and it is the easiest, most simplest way to pay. Let's go for the colors that we are showcasing. The last जो colors हैं, जो मेरे look में आपके पास options है, मैं वही दिखा रही हूँ आपको, and you can go for any of these. And look at what a nice fresh one. I think it's really, really pretty, like so elegant, so classy, okay? This is something that you can just close your eyes, okay? Because we're going to close our eyes and take orders. You can close your eyes and place your order, because we're so sure of what we are giving you, okay? अच्छा, एक बात है, अगर ये जो फर्स्ट पीसेस जब चले जाते हैं, जो इनके टैसल्स बनने में, जो सेकेंड राउंड में, that may take a little time, okay? It will take a little time, not too much, but थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा. तो वही एक बात है. Otherwise, ये first piece, oh what a nice one. Now all of you, for that, how much for the first entire suit? 5 meter plus dupatta is for 10,700. I'm wearing the look so that you can also see how the fabric looks like, how great it is, and look at that. It's amazing. The stunning color. It's like Kesari, but a little darker one. For me, it's like mango. It's mango season, guys, here in Mumbai. हम लोग तो बड़े influenced हैं. तो now I'll tell you the other breakup. Let's do both the sets. So when you do without tassels, so 5 meter plus the dupatta comes to 8,100. Okay, let's show it to you so that you have the whole picture with you. Okay, so you say that I want like this set. It is 5 meters plus dupatta, 8,100. And if you want the tassels like this, then 5 meter plus dupatta is, yes, there is a red as well. So yes, whatever color you want, just ask us. बहुत सारे options हैं which we have shown you. We'll send you the picture, video. First time Neve buyers or people who've been there, waiting to become a part of the Neve circle, come now, come do it now. Yes, it's the same color. The kurta and the bottom are the exact same color. I'll show it to you how I'm wearing. तभी ये 5 मीटर है. Okay, now bottom के लिए मेरा आपको ये जरूर कहना है that you can for some, जैसे बाहर मैंने आपको दिखाया, आप एक कुर्ता, 2 कुर्ते, 3 कुर्ते पहने whites में and एक bottom पहने. But when you're wearing this look, wear the same fabric. Don't just take dupatta and bottom. Dupatta and kurta, वो bottom कभी match ही नहीं होता है. It's the whole formal look is that you do a same on same. I mean, it's just a suggestion. Like, I know that you can probably want another bottom. You try it. You see what you feel, okay? But for me, 5 meter and dupatta is the way to go for a straight look. 6 meters for A-line and 7 meters to 8 meters for, when you're going for like little kali and like ghera, okay? So this is the Guff Chanderi, okay? I wear it very, I'm not worn it in fact. I very often wear the 981, the premium Chanderi one. Prices दोनों same है. जो तरीके हैं बनाने के वो एकदम अलग हैं, okay? So now this one, that's what I was saying also to my team also. Why were we waiting to kind of do a look out of this? But of course, we don't have an answer. We just kind of forgot. Sometimes the most simplest things bring you so much pleasure. Something like this, so smart, so sleek, so easy and so wearable. Look at that. This is the dupatta. Same cotton का bottom है. यही है. Lining used है. 5 meter for straight look. And as I said, I've done this detailing here. You can see. And simple stitch threads हैं. Not even the anchor ones, okay? On my kurta, on my bottom, it's there. We'll put the style video. And look at that. Now you can wear it like this. This dupatta has a gold on one side and a silver on both the side. Yes, you can just go and place your order. This entire look, 5 meter plus dupatta, is for 10,700. And fabric ready है, दुपट्टे कुछ ready है. अगर बहुत orders आएंगे तो थोड़ा time लग सकता है for the tassels actually, guys. That's the only thing. Otherwise, both the things are ready to be shipped out in 2 to 3 days. So, take your pick. If you're really in a hurry, skip the tassels. If you're good with, waiting, then yeah, you can definitely go for it. So, you can wear it like this. You can wrap it around and make like a formal look. As I said, thoda sa detailing add karenge to it'll look really formal. And you want to keep it really good and easy for work, then you can just wear it like this. Thank you so much for joining in this Tuesday morning. And hope you're going to make the most of this amazing life that we are. Delhi and everybody who can make it to Delhi, it's our last show for the season. You just cannot miss it. सब कुछ रहेगा 16, 17. Make your calendar, mark it, and get your friends, family, your daughters, daughter-in-laws, everybody, and your mothers and mother-in-law. I know सारे groups आते हैं. आपका बहुत इंतजार रहेगा हमें. We are coming specially for you, Delhi. Okay, so at the Claridges, and right now orders are open. Go place your order. Have a great